When the going gets tough in a crypto bear market and your portfolio starts to shed value left and right, buying the best coin and staking it comes off as a good way to earn a passive income from your crypto stash. When staking, you lock away your coins on a proof-of-stake blockchain for some time and get rewarded for it. Which other coin stands out as the perfect option than Cardano? The size of your wallet can increase even in this bear market with Cardano. That way, when the bull market is back on its feet, you start with more than what you had previously. If you are searching for strong convictions about Cardano being the best coin to hold in this bear market, then be sure to watch this video until the end. A bear market is not difficult to recognize. Apart from the fact that stocks on average fall at least 20% off their high, investors become more risk-adverse than risk-seeking. Bear markets can last for months or even years as investors shun speculations in favor of more stable financial investments. Between April 1947 and April 2022, there have been 14 bear markets, ranging in length from 1 month to 1.7 years, and in severity from a 51.9% drop in the S&P 500 to a decline of just 20.6%. However, bull markets have gone higher and have lasted longer than bear markets in the longest possible term. In severe cases, bear markets can be synonymous with recessions. Two of the worst bear markets in history were roughly in sync with recessions. The stock market crash in 1929 was the central event in a grinding bear market that sliced 89% of the value of the Dow Jones Industrial Average over approximately 3 years. The most recent bear market resulted from a global health crisis worsened by fear, which initially triggered a wave of layoffs, corporate shutdowns, and financial disruptions. But markets recovered as they always have done over time. Many assume that it would be the last bear market, but the current state of the market has rebutted this possibility. It will be a crypto winter, which is the most dreaded season ever. The market prices of various digital assets prove that the market has officially welcomed it. As expected, investors in the space wonder how long it will last. Going by the previous markets, it could be that the market is in for a long haul. Generally, experts in investments advise that holding onto your coins is the safest way to navigate the risk and uncertainties in a crypto bear market. Holding the best coin will give you an advantage. A bear market is a loss itself. The inability to choose the best coins and hold on will plunge you into more losses. The year has not been particularly kind to cryptocurrency prices. Coins and tokens which saw huge price swings months ago are slowly sinking, with some already back to where they were in October. This is certainly a nerve-wracking experience for some investors, but tough times don't last forever. The global cryptocurrency market is already thriving, with the presence of thousands of cryptocurrencies rushing to be in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. But this begs the question, which coin is the best to hold in this bear market? A panel of cryptocurrency experts told Finder what their top cryptocurrency choices would be in a prolonged bear market. According to the analysis, more than 45% of the panelists believe that Bitcoin is the coin to hold during a market downturn. The consensus was that Bitcoin was the most established cryptocurrency and would be the top performer in a bear market. After Bitcoin, 15% said that Ethereum would be the best coin to watch. Ethereum has the most developers, the most usability, and nearly 10 times as much total value locked on its blockchain as its closest competitor. The project is battle-tested and is ready for a bear market, unlike other, less proven coins, said Daniel Polotsky, the founder of the Bitcoin ATM operator CoinFlip. Aside from these cryptocurrencies, the panelists claim that stablecoins like USD Coin and Tether were the best to hold value preservation. In terms of long-term prospects, Cardano became a suitable option. It combines the attributes of all other coins. Bear markets are known for instilling panic and fear in investors because they are afraid of losing all their investments and faced with the arduous task of coping with an unknown future. Investors need to hold a coin that will allay their fears and give them hope for a better tomorrow. Generally, this should be the main target. Investors have talked down on the long-term potential of cryptocurrencies, but ADA stands out as an exception. Cardano has multiple use cases and a long-term growth plan, which indicates that it has sustainable value. The release of smart contracts has started to challenge Ethereum in the fast-growing DeFi space. Hence, ADA's bull case continues to improve over time. Cardano is capable of surviving just fine over the long term. This is based on several growing fundamental aspects of cryptocurrency. But right now, things don't look too good for the ADA crypto, as it's gone through such a rough time. And there is no way to know when things will turn around. As a result, it makes sense for investors in Cardano who already have a stake in crypto to take a long-term view, even in this bear market. Also, your portfolio will inevitably shed value left and right in a crypto bear market. The best part about staking in the Cardano network is that it increases the size of your wallet even in a bear market. Besides, staking in Cardano lowers the possibility of panic selling because your fund has been securely locked on a blockchain. It is quite true that the crypto market has been taking a beating recently, and Cardano is one of the worst hit digital assets. In a Twitter post, Hoskinson had lauded the fundamentals of the Cardano network. Cardano has retained the title of the network with further developments going on, and as a result has seen growth in various aspects. The founder in his tweet celebrated the fact that the network was getting faster, more decentralized, remains the most advanced technology, and best of all, the community continues to grow from all angles. He topped the post with a nice GIF. Like clockwork, some came out to lament the dropping price of ADA despite all the developments going on. A user, identified as Matt Winfield, said this in response to Hoskinson's tweet, which took time to explain why the price was down. According to Charles Hoskinson, it is a bear market. And naturally, it is expected that the price of ADA will decline alongside the rest of the market. This will happen regardless of what the network does or what developments are carried out. His response confirms his belief that the market is now in a bear market, one that has seen ADA's price decline towards yearly lows. Even though the digital asset price is down, it has not served as a deterrent for those who believe in the network, most especially the whales. Cardano whales are still controlling a significant part of the circulating supply. These top whales do not include wallets of exchanges, meaning that these are individual investors that continue to pour money into the digital asset. Cardano is the best investment to hold in the bear market. Yes, it has been red for the past few days, but the developments that it's expecting in the next few months make ADA a good buy today. Currently, the Cardano team is working on upgrades that will improve its chain to grow its adoption and become established as a trustworthy system. Among the developments that the Cardano team is working on right now is the Vassal hard fork, which is expected to launch very soon. The other big development is the Cardano Hydra upgrade. These developments will grow its adoption rate and skyrocket the price, making Cardano an ideal investment in this bear market. Cardano's popularity among decentralized application developers has kept the demand high for its ADA token. Following the announcement of the upcoming hard fork, over 100 smart contracts were deployed on the network, according to CoinMarketCap. Cardano will give investors the needed stability in this stormy market, so you need to be sure to hold on to it. But what are your thoughts? Please share your thoughts and your opinions in the comments section below. And of course, be sure you click on the subscribe and bell buttons.